shall we go today? I want to see penguins. Then let's go to bird paradise. Okay. We are now at Mandai Wildlife Fair. Is there horse anywhere on our cat? Mandai Wildlife is a free area for public. Mandai Wildlife has a lot of playground. This is a secret cave. The secret cave is called Waterfall Cave. Oh look, it's a bright and sunny day. There's a lot of cafes, Adriel, like A&W, and Old Chunky, and Burger of Ice Cream, and Starbucks. Let's go check it out. We are finally at Old Chunky, and I want to eat sausage, and I want to buy fish ball. Processed food is not healthy, and we love to eat it. Now little penguin is ready to check out the playground. I'm going to bring Mr. Penguin in the Austin. I like the forest range trail because there's tower for me to climb up, and boats, and also there's a bridge for me to walk on. Catch, April! We are now at Bird Paradise, and we are going to see the penguins. Because it's very cold, and it's very cute to see the penguins standing around. Do you know that when penguins are cold, they will cuddle together and keep themselves warm? You know that some birds look like penguins, but they are not, like razorbill. I like to take the train because when I walk, my teacher's legs are very big. With the room membership, the food is with a 20% discount. And look at this young chicken rice. There's this very nice playground, but I'm not going to play because I'm kidding. I like the playground, especially those that can climb up and down. Now we are going to Crimson Wetland to see the flamingo. Behind me are the American flamingos. Crimson Wetland has a very special design. The birds can fly very far because there's no beams in the aviary. Why is Mr. Penguin here? Because he is at the Amazon forest. The Amazon aviary has a lot of weird looking like birds. Oh no! Look at the sky!